Okay. Hello, my name is Caroline, and here I'm going to talk about my client-side server React project. And for this project, I based it on looking up information about the Greek gods. And so when a user comes to my home page, they'll be greeted with the ancient Greek gods title, and then they will be told to click on a card below to learn more about the gods. And I set this up into three sections: one about the heroes, two about gods, and three about residences where the gods live. So let's say, for example, the user wants to learn more about gods. They'll click on the god card, and uh, here while the page is loading, it will render all of the gods that has been on my DB file. So as you see, as I scroll down, the information of all the Greek gods, and on the Greek gods, for example, you'll see their name, their AKA here, you'll see that's their Roman name, their symbol, what they symbolize, who their parents were, what their powers were, and a brief description about that god. So here on this home page, I have a home collection of all the gods. Now, for example, let's say a person wants to learn about a particular god. Here in this area, we have our search bar functionality. And let's say I want to learn more about Zeus. So they can type in the name Zeus, and here Zeus would pop up and they would be able to read more information about Zeus. If they want to learn about another god, say Hera, you can type in Hera's name and you'll learn more information about Hera. Hmm? And so in this functionality here, I also put a section where a person could create their own god through filling out a form. And they would locate that functionality through clicking on this link called Build a God. And when you click on that, it'll lead to a form page and where they'll have several attributes that they need to fill out in order to create said God. They will submit a URL of a picture of the god, their name, their Roman name, aka their alias, their symbol, who their father was, who their mother was, their power, as well as a brief description. Once they're done with that, they're able to submit, press the submit button, and be able to submit. If a field is left empty, once you press the submit button, the form would not be allowed to submit until all of the pieces of information have been rendered. Once it is submitted, you would then see that information being rendered back onto the page as to a new god. Okay, so this functionality also holds true for the heroes page if you want to learn more about the heroes. And also I have a functionality for residences to just learn more about information about where the gods live. And so this is pretty much the crux of my project. If you have any questions, you always feel free to ask me. Okay, thanks.